This spider monkey is taking a big risk by going down to the ground, as she might be eaten by a jaguar. But it wants very badly to get a piece of clay for itself. But suddenly a noise comes from behind the forest, and the monkey quickly climbs back up the tree. However, the alarm is just a pack of wild boars. But the monkey has managed to snatch a piece of clay. So why does he need it? Well, to eat it, of course. The monkey's courage is rewarded and he can eat clay to his heart's content. Elephants in the wilds of Thailand, on the other hand, don't have to venture into the wild to extract clay. Many animals eat it for the minerals that are found in large quantities in clay and in very small quantities in plants, so to get all the elements they need, many animals have to eat clay.